Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Oppo Find X8 Pro to an Android device. Begin by launching Play Store on both to get free app Code Send Anywhere. Then you need to set it up by tapping on the same options in both apps. I agree and I acknowledge. Confirm, continue and allow. Tap on whatever you want to in the pop-up and choose your device's displays by clicking on them like that, or hit close in the pop-ups at the top to continue. Either way, when you're ready, hit send at the bottom left corner of your Oppo and receive right next to send at the bottom of an Android. Also on Oppo, select all of those categories at the top and pick all of your files you wish to send. When finished, hit send next to selected at the bottom. Got it? In Here's Some Tip pop-up and select one of those connection ways. You can scan the QR code by tapping on the scanning icon above user guide, closing an ad and selecting while using in the pop-up, then pointing Android's camera at the code. You can also input this key by clicking on Input Key section and typing in all of those numbers in correct order. To connect, hit Receive and wait. If you made a typo just like I did, you can always just quickly change your connection way to fix it. And then, as you can see, within seconds all of my files were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!